Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Nique Lynn, and this is the place where braiders turn to learn braided hairstyles, develop tenacious hustle, and flourish in hope. In today's video, I'm just going to go over just a few knotless braid tips, but for the most part, I am just going to let you enjoy the video. So let's just jump right to it. So as you can see, I have completely pre-parted her entire head. I normally don't do this, but I really have found in my last few sets of knotless that it really has just helped me focus on the braiding when it's time to braid. So my first tip would be to pre-part. You don't have to do it to this extent, but at least knowing how many rows you're going to do before you start braiding can really be a big help, especially for beginners. She is getting a set of medium knotless, so there is 8 rows in total. Tip number 2, before you start your braid, try parting your 3 strands in diagonal lines, almost like triangles, 3 triangles at that. This will help your braid lay more naturally, and it will give you an even flatter base. So here's an example in real time. I'm going to start from the right corner and part my first diagonal, and then I'm going to start from the middle to create the second diagonal. After I do my second diagonal, now I have my 3 pieces or my 3 strands in order to start my braid. Then I'm going to pull my first piece in from the left, then gather the right, and once I have gathered the right, I'm going to add my first piece of braiding hair. I'm going to do a crossover movement, then again, and when I'm back on the right side, I will then add another piece of braiding hair. I'll continue this a few times until I feel that the braid is at the right size and that everything feels nice and even, and then I will continue to do my braid down. And applying product as you do this really does help keep everything nicely together, especially if your client has any type of blunt cut ends or anything like that. It just really helps keep everything nicely together. Another benefit to pre-parting your knotless box braid styles is that you could really move around about the head in whichever way you want. So if I'm tired of being in the back because it does get monotonous at some points, I'm able to move over to the side. If I want to do some at the top, I really can braid wherever I feel like braiding because the entire style has been parted out. And for anyone who's wondering, the colors that were used for this install, the colors were a number 4, a 27, and a little bit of a 613. I'm just going to finish by setting the style using Magic Finger setting foam, and then I'll dip the ends as normal. I really hope you found something helpful in this video that you maybe not have considered before when doing your knotless styles. Don't forget to subscribe for all things Hair Hustle Hope, and as always, God bless, and I'll talk to you in the next video.